At the age of 95, Genpo Rashi, one of the great Zen masters of modern times, was speaking of the gateless gate, and he pointed out that there truly is no gate through which we must pass in order to realize what our life is. Still, he said, from the standpoint of practice, we must go through a gate, the gate of our own pride. And every one of us here, since the time we got up this morning, has in some way or another met our pride, every one of us. To go through this gate that is not a gate, we have to go through the gate of our own pride.